Hey friends, I am back with a unboxing video that nobody really asked for, but it just felt wrong to not do it. So I also decided to change my background because that makes it a little bit more exciting or interesting for you. But all of the colors that I got in this shipment are colors I already have. So there's really nothing new and exciting, but I just like to show you anyway. So for the solids that I'm replacing, I have this blonde color. This is technically a new color in my inventory, but it's replacing the light tan color that I had. It's like the same exact color, it's just going to be called blonde instead of light tan. More graphite because I always need a little bit of a darker gray. Space blue because I really love this shade. It's not quite navy and it's almost kind of like a really dark teal, but yeah, it's just space blue. And then royal blue. Lately I've been making a lot of dragon egg pouches or those beer basket koozies, so it eats a lot of cord, so I had to replace a lot. Regular blue and a standard red. For the patterns, I have some blue snake, which has some black, white, blue, and light blue. Reflex, which has some teal, electric blue, dark gray, neon yellow, and some white. And then some Mermaid, which is one of the color changing cords with a neon green, a blue, teal, charcoal gray. I also have this color changing cord, which is Disruptor. Has stripes of a kind of a lighter gray with some red and purple specks in there also. And Prism, which is kind of, it pulls a really purple hue or an indigo purple type hue, but it does have vertical stripes of like a blue with red and lighter gray little accent specks in there too. This one is called Blue Crab. The last time I probably showed this, I got it from a different company and it's called Apex at that company. So where I mostly want to keep my orders as much as I can at Atwood, they call it Blue Crab over there, but it does have some purple, teal, neon orange, white, and a lighter gray. Pixel Noise is another very fun one. It's not technically marketed as a color changing cord, but it does have a little bit of a hue shift between some pink and teal. There's a neon pink, more of a salmon type pink, a red, silver, white, teal, blue, and almost maybe like an indigo purpley type blue in there possibly. And then this color changing cord, Polaris, has vertical stripes of teal with some purple and red in there also. And then this last one, technically different to my stock, but just kind of replacing something similar. This one is called First Aid. So it's got just red and white, almost kind of in a spiral pattern. Maybe it's more of like a helix type pattern. But what it's replacing is this candy cane. Also red and white, but it's just more of like an actual spiral pattern. As you can see, I don't have very much of it left. So this is so incredibly similar, can almost not tell any difference at all in what pattern it actually is. So once I run out of this, First Aid will be my go-to for red and white pattern. But yeah, I guess that's it for today. As you know, where to find me on my socials. Contact me if you'd like a custom project done with some paracord. Hit that follow or subscribe button, you know, wherever I'm at to see what I'm up to. But I hope you have a wonderful weekend ahead.